How to load booking code from other country. For example, I'm in Nigeria. Let's say you are in Ghana or Zambia or Tanzania, Uganda, and you want to load the booking code that I book in Nigeria. All you need to do is to copy the code. I've already copied the code. Then you go to your best slip where you insert the booking code. Let's say you are in Zambia, for example, and then you want to load a booking code from me, which I live in Nigeria. So your country will be showing Zambia here. For example, my own is showing Nigeria. So yours will be showing Zambia. Then you click on, you change the country to Nigeria. Then you paste the booking code. Then you load. As you can see, it's successful. Let's say you are in Ghana and you want to load the booking code. Your country will be showing here, Ghana. So all you need to do is change the country to Nigeria before you load the code. It's showing Ghana. So if you load this booking code now, it will not work unless you change it to Nigeria, the origin of that booking code, which was booked in Nigeria. Then you load, it will go. So this is just the tennis game that I predicted today for you guys. So go ahead and play it. I'll post this video on YouTube and also on Facebook for every other people to know. I'm tired of you people saying the code is invalid. Change it to your country before you can load the code. If you are in Uganda, change your country to Nigeria before you load the code. Thank you so much.